For the first time, it doesn't feel like just another rumor drifting quietly in the background. It feels real, like something we've all been waiting for in silence is finally stepping out of the shadows and into the light. What we might be witnessing here could be the very first true hands-on unboxing of the upcoming iPhone Fold, and honestly, it hits on an entirely different level. This isn't your usual leak filled with shaky clips or half-finished prototypes. Everything about it feels intentional, refined, almost unreal in how flawlessly polished it appears. The video, shared by well-known tipster Mr. Saw 3D, unfolds like a genuine unboxing experience. From the very first second, it carries that unmistakable Apple energy, clean, minimal, and effortlessly premium without even trying. As the box slowly opens, there's a brief, almost breathless pause, a moment packed with anticipation, and then there it is. The device. A foldable design, something Apple has never officially revealed before. And yet, it feels so natural, like it was always meant to exist. If this turns out to be real, it could mean Apple has been working on this far longer than anyone imagined, perfecting every tiny detail in silence while the rest of the industry rushed ahead. The hinge, especially, feels like a defining breakthrough. It looks incredibly precise and solid, almost as if it finally overcomes the crease issue that's held foldables back for years. And if Apple has truly solved that, this could completely redefine how we see foldable smartphones. And then there's another clip shared by Apple Track, quietly adding even more weight to the story. Piece by piece, it's starting to feel less like a distant dream and more like something that's right on the edge of becoming reality. The first glimpse has finally arrived, and instead of demanding attention, it draws you in softly. It feels like one of those rare, almost magical moments where everything quietly clicks into place and you sense that something meaningful is beginning to unfold. According to Magine, a new leak may have offered an early look at Apple's long-awaited foldable iPhone, and there's an understated charm to it that's hard to ignore. Not because it's loud or attention-grabbing, but because it carries a calm, self-assured presence that feels different. At first glance, it reflects Apple's signature simplicity: clean, precise, and beautifully minimal. Nothing feels excessive. Yet the folding design introduces a quiet sense of curiosity, gently inviting you to keep looking, to keep wondering. The metallic finish feels smooth and premium in a comforting way, while the hinge looks sturdy, subtly promising strength beneath its elegance. The camera rests naturally on the back, not competing for attention, just existing exactly where it should. Folded, it feels compact and familiar, like it already belongs in your hand. Open it, and the experience expands into something more immersive, yet never overwhelming, perfectly balanced, almost effortless. What truly lingers is how natural it all feels. Not experimental, not forced, just thoughtfully crafted, as if it was always meant to be this way. And if this vision is even close to reality, it won't need to impress, it will simply feel right from the very first touch. Foldable phones always promise a bigger, better screen, but the moment you open them, something feels strange. The display turns into a square, videos feel cramped, and many apps simply do not look right. It is the one problem almost every foldable struggles with. But a new leak suggests Apple might finally be ready to fix it.